I've already watched this BL 3 times already. That's how much I liked it. That's how much I liked it. Like the expectation was here, low, patal lok mein, and the series was gagan chhuliya bhai. It was plot wise amazing. Okay, anyways, so welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know the drill, we talk all BL on this channel. So the series we are talking about today is the prosecutor's proposal, which I did not have any expectations. Okay, so I had heard about it somewhere ki here and there. I had seen some scenes in the reels and shorts. I did not know what the storyline was. I had not watched the trailers and I did not know who the actors were. So when I watched the series, like मेरे को अचानक से फोमो हो गया था. मैंने एक पोस्ट देखा विच सेड कि द प्रोसिक्यूटर्स प्रपोजल एज हैंडेड. तो आई एम लाइक ख़त्म हो गया, मुझे देखना था यार. सो I got FOMO and I watched it in one sitting because after episode 1 I could not leave before completing, or after completing episode 10 I again watched episode 1 because I got hooked. The on-screen chemistry, Korean BLs raising the standards slowly. We like Korean BL कुछ साल पहले क्या था और ना उतना प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुआ है compared to Thailand, but है अच्छा प्रोग्रेस है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव वॉच्ड फ्यू भाई, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दैट सीरीज दैट इज़ सेटिंग द स्टैंडर्ड. द स्टोरी लाइन अमेजिंग. मुझे तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी मैंशन दैट मुझे क्राइम्स, मर्डर्स, डिशुम पसंद आता है. आई ऑलरेडी फील अट्रैक्टेड टू दीज काइंड्स ऑफ सीरीज ऑटोमेटिकली, एंड इट बीइंग सच एन inclusive storyline that you also keep thinking ki who is the culprit, who is the suspect, what is right, what is wrong, who murderer kya. And then there is perfect amount of balance of romance also, like perfect amount of like जितना जब जिधर attention देना चाहिए था तब उधर उतना ही दिया है कि it's like वो क्या बताओ guys, just 100% perfect pace, perfect chemistry, perfect plot line, perfect casting, perfect everything. ये कोरियन BL सही है. And if you haven't watched it yet, go watch it, and I'll bet you would want to rewatch it. So if you have already watched it, do let me know what you think, and like till another video, signing off, bye.